Hello everybody, I am Furkan Mert Aksakal and studying CS at Bilkent University. Today I'll be talking about my Phys101 project that is about the horizontal range of a projectile motion. I've been playing basketball for several years and the horizontal range of a projectile motion was seen while playing basketball. That's why I chose to do a project on this topic. So my dependent variable was the horizontal range and independent variable was the angle that I am throwing the pucks. And the control variable was the sinus of the incline for the test bench. So for this experiment, I used several equipments that was present in the laboratory. These were air tables, spark timer, puck, air compressor, foot pedals, carbon paper, white paper, a ruler, a spring, and screws to put the string onto the corner of the air table. As the setup of the experiment was shown in the previous seconds, now I'll be talking about how I conducted the experiment. First of all, I adjusted the air table to an angle where the sinus of the angle was 0.1. And then I placed a suitable carbon paper on top of the air table and on top of the carbon paper, a white A2 paper to cover the carbon paper. And then I set the spark timer to 50 Hz frequency. After I set the frequency of the spark timer to 50, centering the left corner of the paper, I anchored my spring to 12 to 12 centimeters for each side so that I could get the 45 degrees for my first conductivity of the experiment. By using a ruler, I found the middle point of the spring and drew a straight line to the corner of the paper. Doing this allowed me to have the initial velocities of each throw the same. Following that, I placed the puck in front of the spring and pulled it towards the line that I drew in the previous part. While holding the puck in the position, I pressed on both of the foot pedals and then released the puck. This allowed me to have a projectile motion of 45 degrees. I repeated those steps while using the angles of 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. At the end of the experiment, I found out and calculated that 45 degrees is the best angle to have the maximum horizontal range in a projectile motion. Thank you for listening.